Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome back to another video from Solutions. And today's video I'm going to be talking about how to reduce background noise in OBS Studio so that your voice sounds clear and professional during recording or live streaming. So if you're facing issues like fan noise, keyboard sounds or any sort of background disturbance, this video will solve that problem. So I'm recording this video not using OBS Studio, I'm just using a quick time player so that you might be hearing some of the background noise because no such noise suppression is basically being used. But I'll just quickly show you by launching the application how you can basically add noise suppression in your audio so that your voice is crisp clear without any background noise. So before starting this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe already for this awesome tutorial, and now I would say let's get started. Alright guys, so let me just quickly launch the OBS Studio so that we can just add the noise suppression, and here we have the OBS Studio. And here you can see that we have three resources, that is basically webcam, video capture, that is the screen capture, and here we have audio input capture. So if I just quickly click on audio input capture, here we have filters. Just click on filters and here this is the window that is basically will be open, and here we have plus icon. Once we click on the plus icon, here we have noise suppression option. Just click on this and you can just name it anything. I'll just leave it as it is. And now you can see that here we have two methods, that is RNNoise and Speex. And this is basically we're gonna be using RNNoise because this is something which is basically being used. Most of the users, AI is basically being used to reduce the background noise, and you don't have to configure any such other configuration. But if you just go with the Speex, this is something which is basically for a machine which uses low configuration, low hardware configuration, and here you have got the manual control. By using this bar, you can basically adjust the suppression level, and then you can basically test it whether the noise is getting suppressed or not, which basically starts with minus 30 decibel. So I would recommend, like if you have got a very good configuration machine, like normal, like medium to high configuration, I would recommend you to use RNNoise because this is something which is AI is basically being used, and it really reduces a very good amount of background noise. So this is basically how you can configure the background noise, guys. So that's it for you guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, so do not forget to like and subscribe, and also review. I'll catch you guys in next video. Bye bye.